Hi everybody. It's a bit of a tradition that for upcoming events I create little preview videos on my bike rides. Today I'm out here on a bike ride on the border of Switzerland and Germany. Down there you can see the Rhine River. It's a wonderful day, late summer. It's perfect. What I want to talk about is the ASC conference, the API Specifications Conference. It's upcoming. It's in September in San Francisco. It's from September 19th to 21st. I think it's one of the best API conferences out there. The program is wonderful. The lineup of speakers is great. It's a great networking event. And if you're in the Bay Area or if you're nearby, I recommend to check it out. It really is a wonderful event. It has parallel streams, so there's a lot of stuff going on. Check out the schedule. And if you feel like it, please look at my presentation as well. I'll be talking about link sets, a new standard from the HTTP API building blocks working group, and I'll talk about how you can use links to create better APIs. And once again, it's September 19th to 21st in San Francisco. I hope to see you there, but for now I'll continue on with my bike ride here in wonderful Switzerland. I hope to see you soon. Bye.